My dear friends, welcome to Rama Science World. If you want to learn English, so uh, the verb forms also you must learn. So here V1 means present tense, V2 here past tense, V3 first participle. Here, for example, arise present tense, past tense arose, arisen, awake, awoke past tense, awoken, become, became, become, begin, began, begun, bend, bound, bound, bite, bit, bitten, blow, blew, blown, break, broke, broken. Here deal, dealt, dealt, dig, dug, dug, draw, drew, drawn, drink, drank, drunk, drive, drove, driven, eat, ate, eaten, forbid, forbade, forbidden. So these were forms helpful to communicate with others in English. So if you use these verb forms properly, so your English is very nice. Otherwise, uh, others maybe will understand. Okay, so please learn verb forms. Okay, more than 1,000 verb forms. So repeat more times, automatically your mind recognize the verb form.